Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will discuss how to download the HMM file. As we surf through the net, and sometimes the students face difficulty that how you can download the HMM file for a particular protein family. As you can use these HMM files to search for the related protein sequences in other databases. So first of all, what is the HMM file? So the HMM file stands for the Hidden Markov Model, and it's a very powerful tool. You can search other related sequences in various databases, for example in the plant ensemble, pytosome, etc. How you can find the information related to this HMM file. So in most of the time we download it from related uh, research work in from the related paper. For example, you can see here we have a hidden Markov model for the GLP protein family, which has this particular number. Then it says that it was downloaded from this database. So we will take this number, copy it, and go to the PPALM domain, type this number, press go, and you will be directed to this window. Now click the most relevant one, the first top one, and then you will see a short description, and then simply go to the curation. And now here you can see the download button. Now click the download, select the folder where you want to store it, and then click save. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. In next video we will see how to use this particular HMM file to search other related sequences in various databases. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.